Hello everyone, I go to my conceptual blog. Today I can want to explain the difference between Bics and Calp using real example for classroom situation. I will also reflect on how teachers can balance both types of a language in their lesson. Let's start with Bics. Bics stand for Basic Interpersonal Communication Skills, and it refers to the everyday language that a student used to communicate socially. For example, when a student says, "Can I borrow your eraser?" Or "What page are we on?" They are using a Bics. That type of language is simple, quick to learn, and usually connect to familiar situations. Many students develop a Vic within 1 or 2 years, especially if they talk often with their classmates. On the other hand, COP means Cognitive Academic Language Proficiency, which is the language of academic of school content. This includes understanding words like analyze, compare, hypothesis, or summarize. It also includes thinking skills used in tasks like reading a science chapter, writing an essay, or explaining how a math problem works. CAP is much harder than Bics, and it usually takes 5 to 7 years to fully develop. In the classroom, we can clearly see the difference. A student may take fluency with friends during recess using Bic, but struggle when the teacher asks them to write a paragraph about climate change using academic vocabulary. This shows that being good at social English does not automatically means the student has a strong academic English. How can a teacher balance both? One good strategy is to create activities that mix social interaction with academic language. For example, a teacher can start with a short group discussion, use a simple language Bics, and then guide the student to write a short summary or complete an academic task using more complex vocabulary. COP. Teachers should give a student a plenty of exposure models of academic works and opportunities to practice. In conclusion, Bics and COPs are both essential for language development. A student needs Bics to communicate socially, but they also need COP to succeed in academic subjects. One teacher balance both types of language. They help learners grow in more complete and confident way. Thank you.